commanders lighting the lamp ceremony. I request our chief guest, environmental chairman, sir, to light the lamp. Truly, in this moment, lighting the lamp, it drives the darkness away from the minds of the people who are ignorant. It brings us the light of hope and energy. Now the ceremonial breaking the coconut is being done by the chief guest, seeking the blessings of God, who is omnipresent and omnipotent. Always we need the blessings of God. He guides us from the front. Now the coconut is being offered by the beloved chairman, sir. All we need is the blessings of God. We are nothing without the blessings of God, because the God is omnipresent, omnipotent. During this wonderful occasion, we are blessed to have the presence of you. Once again, constituency, Mr. Venpalli Satyagaru, wants this very special occasion. Once again, put your hands together, all of you. Truly, it's truly a wonderful and amazing moment for all the unfortunate. We are blessed to have the presence of our respected MLA. He has been truly an inspirational for us. He has been building the spirit of young minds of Stopaland constituency. Now, once again, we would like MLA Mr. Venpalli Satyagaru, go to the Sanctuary Sanctuary also be taken over here. What an amazing day, what a wonderful occasion it is. Once again,